Look at the gold on your hand. A wedding ring, a chain, a watch. We spend our lives chasing it. We never ask why it is rare. Earth did not make your gold. It was forged in a catastrophe, an event that bent space-time itself.
Massive stars die. They do not vanish. Their core remains. Gravity crushes it into something impossible. A neutron star is born. It is the size of a city. It weighs more than our sun. A single teaspoon weighs 1 billion tons. It spins hundreds of times every second. It is the densest object imaginable, except for a black hole. Sometimes two of them meet. They orbit each other for millions of years. Every circle drains their energy. Every circle pulls them closer. Hours become minutes. Minutes become seconds. They reach 1/3 the speed of light. Invisible waves pour off them. Space-time itself ripples and warps. In 2017, Earth felt these waves. The signal lasted 100 seconds. Then, the universe changed. They touch. Two dead suns crash together. They hit at 100 million kilometers per hour. The violence lasts mere milliseconds. A jet of gamma rays shoots out. Neutronium violently splatters into the void. Then comes the glow. It is not a clean explosion. A thick, expanding cloud appears. First piercing blue, then brick red. That red light is a signature. It means something is being built. Inside that cloud, physics breaks down. The heat is entirely unimaginable. Neutrons are everywhere. Atoms capture them violently, faster than they can decay. This is the R process. A fraction of a second changes everything. Light elements transform into heavy ones, into silver, into platinum, into uranium, and into gold. One crash makes 100 Earths worth of gold, created instantly, in a flash of absolute violence. The violent cloud expands into empty space. Over thousands of years, the fire cools. The radioactive glow slowly fades to black. A ghost cloud of heavy metals remains. It drifts silently in the dark. It travels for billions of years, until a dying star pushes it. The shockwave forces the cloud to collapse. Gravity takes over again. A brand new solar system begins. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth was forming. The gold was here. Asteroids delivered it through violent impacts. Most sank deep into the molten core, forever out of our reach. But some stayed near the crust. Billions of years later, we found it. We dug it up. We shaped it. We wear it to show love. Your gold is older than our sun. Born when two dead stars collided. One impossible moment of pure violence, making everything precious on this world.